Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey,
So, what if I'm performing well on the outside, but I don't feel good on the inside? How does that work? How do I become good on the inside as well as the outside?
yeah, that's a fascinating question, and that's really a question that very few people have ever asked me, right? How do you, if you're actually doing well and you don't feel it, that's not uncommon because a lot of athletes, especially top athletes, are perfectionists, right? And so they don't give themselves permission while they're trying to make it at the highest levels to enjoy the process. And so that's really about journey and learning how to enjoy the journey and giving yourself permission to celebrate the victories and not just do what Urban Meyer types used to do, which is, they're dialing after they win a national championship. They can't relax or enjoy any of it. A lot of top athletes have that experience. It's so hard to make it that they can't enjoy it till the end of their careers. And often that's not the best way.
Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey, Ashley.
One of our interns just started golfing.
All right.
Which one? Cool. Jared. He just started golfing. So he wants to know, how do I hit the ball every time?
I mean, 3 out of 10 makes you a top major leaguer, right? Because think about it. I just looked up the Yankees batting average, and it's 248 for the team. Like, that's their whole team batting average, 248. And they only have a few hitters hitting 300, which is 3 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
So what you're looking at is what I call putting the barrel of the bat on the ball as often as possible. In other words, process, not outcome. If you square up and put that barrel of the bat on the ball, which means you're so present and so focused in the batter's box, you're likely to get a hit one out of 3 times because you hit more and more line drives. You square it up. So again, you're focused on process, not outcome, which is to be so freaking present you can't help but put the barrel of the bat on the ball.
Mm.